Hey, I'm Haley from Your House Fitness, here to teach you about the thread the needle stretch. Well, I wouldn't call it exactly a stretch. We're going to work on rotating or stretching, twisting, mobilizing your thoracic spine, your upper back. So you want to start on your hands and knees. You're going to take one hand, thread the needle, bring your hand between your opposite hand and knee, and lift and twist looking up to the sky. Right? Just like that. One option is to bring your hand behind your head. I like this a bit better if you're looking for a little bit more of a stretch. You can rotate with your elbow. Elbow to the ground, elbow to the sky. So there you go. Take your time. Try to enjoy the stretch. You should feel it through your upper back. Try to keep your hips still. Super easy, you got this. Great for a warm-up or if you're feeling tight through your upper back. Give it a shot. If you want to learn more, check out the article. The link is in the description. Keep stretching. Have an awesome day.